Good morning, friends. This is Mr. Geoff. I'm here with another lesson for my piano friends, my keyboard friends. And what you need today for this one is your homemade keyboard, which I have because I don't really have a regular keyboard. Or if you have your own keyboard, this will work also with the regular keyboard. And some washable markers. Again, on the regular keyboard, these will work just fine, and then you should be able to wash them off the keys if you want to later. On these do-it-yourself keyboards, they're going to stay, though. The washable markers probably won't wash off. So if you wanted to, you could put tape on here on these keys. I'm just gonna write right on top, so that way you know what we want to know what notes we're playing today. So. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these markers and I'm going to pick out 3 different colors. Okay, so we want 3 different colors. So I've got orange, blue, and green. Okay, so we're going to start by finding the cat first, the cat area. So if you remember, we have different areas. Okay, we start all the way at the end of the keyboard. We do have a cat area here, okay? And you can go ahead and pet the cat. Okay, now we're going to go to the next area, just like we did in our leapfrog game. And we have the porcupine area, but I don't want you guys to touch the porcupine. Ouchie, we stay away from the porcupine. So you can find this cat area, and you can pet this cat area, okay? You can use left hand or right hand. Just use one hand today, okay? I'm using my left hand today. Stay away from the porcupine area. That's 3 black keys. Then we find our next cat area right here. And we can go ahead and pet the black keys. That's the cat area. Now, we're going to look for the cat's house. The cat lives right here in this house here. Okay? So I'm going to take this orange marker and just put a C there for cat. C for cat. Okay. There you go. And then, who lives right next door to the cat right here? We know that the dog lives right next door to the cat. So we take our blue marker and we're going to put a D for dog right there. Okay, D for dog. Bring it a little bit closer so you guys can see. All right. And then the last animal's house that we're going to look for today is the elephant. The elephant, he lives right here. So I'm going to take this green marker and we're going to draw in elephant. E for elephant. Okay, there we go. So now we have our cat area. I'm going to take my right hand now and I'm going to pet the cat area again, the 2 black keys. Okay. Now remember, when you are petting your cat, to count the keys, I have 1, 2, black keys. If I'm petting the area and I count the keys 1, 2, 3, that means I'm in the wrong spot, guys. Okay? We want to be in the right spot, right in the middle of the keyboard, okay? So that's why they call this middle C, or we can call it middle cat, okay? Now, first exercise, you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to hide the rest of your fingers by making a ball like this. So, see how I'm hiding my fingers like that? Okay? And we're going to just tap on the cat's house. So there's the cat's house. We're going to go tap, 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 tap 4 times. Tap, 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 tap. And then we're going to go on to the dog's house. Tap, 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 tap. And then the elephant's house. Tap, 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 tap. Okay? Let's try that one more time. We're going to start with the cat's house going up. So when we go from left to right, the sound is going to go up. So if you have a real keyboard, you're going to be able to hear this. You'll hear the sound going up. The notes will be going from a lower sound to a higher sound, okay? So let's go ahead and tap on each animal, starting with the cat. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, next animal, dog. Tap, 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 tap. Next animal is the elephant. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, good. Next part of this exercise, we're going to do it with a spider hand. So let's get our spider hand ready. Again, we're staying in the same area with the 1, 2 black keys. We don't want the 3 black keys. That's off to the side. Okay? Always keep the 2 keys right in front of you. And if you have a real keyboard, this one I can move around real easily. But if you have a real keyboard, you might have to move your seat so that way you can sit close to the middle of the keyboard. Now, with this one, we take our right hand again and our spider hand. So make sure that our fingers are crawling like a spider. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to visit our cat's house, and we're going to tap on the cat's house. So we go tap, 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 tap. That's your cat finger, your thumb, okay? Dog finger is next. That's going to be your pointer finger. Keeping all these fingers nice and relaxed and wiggly, okay? Dog finger is your pointer finger. Tap, 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 tap. And then we're going to go to the elephant. Elephant is finger right next to your pointer finger. Tap, 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 tap. Okay? Back to the cat finger. That's your thumb. Tap, 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 tap. Pointer finger is dog finger. Goes into the dog house. And we're going to tap that one. Tap, 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 tap. Elephant finger right here. Tap, 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 tap. Okay? So now you're going to be visiting your animals' houses, first with your pointer finger. Okay? And then after you get pretty good at that, then you're going to use your spider hand, starting with your cat finger, which is your thumb. Okay? All right, guys, good luck. Have a good time, have fun, and stay safe.